Did you know that the tiger and bird from K-pop Demon Hunters have actual names and are based off of real life? Their names are Derpy and Sussy. A creative team made these two characters based off of a style of Korean folk art popular during the Chosen era, Minhwa. This style of art specialized in images of tigers and birds and were often tunny-looking and whimsical. The film's gag of the bird stealing the tiger's hat is a reference to the whimsical art form of Minhwa. The creative team was inspired by a painting of a statue of a tiger turning into a real tiger next to an open-shirt Jinu, which led to the brilliant idea of Derpy being Jinu's pet. But did you know?